Welcome to my channel Arun Kumar at Exam Guru. This video is related to estimation, costing and valuation. I will be dealing only with the introduction to this topic. Suppose a client bought a piece of land for the construction of a building. What are the thoughts that may arise in his mind looking at the scenario? So let's look at the scenario. So his thoughts will be, what will be the probable cost of construction, probable time of completion, and market value of the building after its completion? The answer to these questions lies in estimation. What are the purpose of estimation? An estimate gives the probable or approximate cost of a building. Estimating helps determine the quantities of materials, labor, and equipment needed, enabling efficient resource allocation and management. Accurate estimates are essential for preparing bids, inviting tenders, and negotiating contracts. In the case of existing buildings, estimates are used to assess their value, which can be crucial for insurance purposes or asset valuation. What is the difference between estimation and quantity surveying, the two most commonly used terms in this subject? Estimation focuses on predicting the cost of a project before it begins, while quantity surveying involves managing all costs throughout the entire project life cycle from initial planning to completion. Essentially, estimation is a subset of quantity surveying, with estimators primarily involved in the pre-construction phase, tendering, and quantity surveyors working throughout the project. The client should be aware of certain types of areas involved in estimation of a building. The types of area are plinth or built-up area, carpet area, floor area, super built-up area, circulation area, and setback area. This is the detail of a proposed building, which is one-story building, and the walls and the openings are shown. The boundary wall is shown along with carports and garden, and a approach road on the right side of the building. This is the detail of the plan of the proposed building. The red line shows the plan plot boundary. The yellow line shows the plan of the proposed building, which includes the walls and the openings. And the shaded portion represents the plot area, the area which lies within the plot boundary. Now let's discuss the types of areas that are involved. The number one is plinth or built-up area. Plinth area typically refers to the total covered area, the floor level of a building, including the thickness of external walls, but excluding areas that are shared by multiple occupants. In general, plinth area gives the plan area the level of the plinth, excluding plinth offsets. So in the given plan, the shaded portion represents the plinth or built-up area, which include the thickness of all the external walls. So I have mentioned plinth offset. So what is plinth offset? If this is plinth or basement, above the plinth or basement there are walls. Then the plinth offsets are marked, which is the portion of the plinth that extends beyond the walls to protect the walls from erosion and moisture. Plinth offsets are excluded in the calculation of plinth area. Now, what are the items included in plinth or built-up area as per IS 3861? Number one is the area of walls, which is shown in the shaded portion. Then staircases other than spiral. In the case of veranda, 50% of the veranda is included when it is unprotected, that is, the veranda without roof. And 100% of the veranda area is included when it is protected with roof. Now, what is the difference between veranda and porch? Porch is an extension covering only the front door or for parking the vehicle. Veranda is an extension covering at least one full side of the front. The figure on the left shows the porch and on the right shows the veranda. Now among the items included in plinth or built-up area, there comes balcony. The 50% of the balcony area is included when it is unprotected, that is without roof. And the 100% of the balcony area is included when it is protected with roof. The one on the right shows unprotected balcony, that is without roof, and one on the left shows protected balcony which is covered with roof. The next item is alcove, which is the arched projection in a wall. 25% of the plan area of the alcove is considered when its height is 1 meter. So the height shown is 1 meter, and in such a case only 25% of the plan area is considered. Now 50% of the plan area of the alcove is considered when its height is 1 to 2 meter. So when the height is 1 to 2 meter, only 50% is considered, and if it is above 2 meter, 100% of the plan area of the alcove is considered in plinth or built-up area. The next comes the items that are excluded in plinth or built-up area as per IS 3861. Number 1 is lobby. What is lobby? It's a large open space provided at the entrance, often used for waiting or meeting. So the figure shows a lobby. The next item is loft. Loft is an elevated area under the roof. Loft is shown in the figure. Then comes mumti. It's a small structure constructed on the roof of a building at the top of a staircase to shield the staircase from the weather. Next is vertical stunt breakers. Then spiral staircase. Patio. It's a paved outdoor area adjoining a house without any roof. So the figure shows the patio. The cornice is the architectural component to carry the weight of the roof. Some courtyard. It's a circumscribed area surrounded by the walls of a building open to the sky. Then comes sanitary shaft, the space for plumbing lines and services. So if the area is greater than 2 meter square, it is excluded. Now next type of area is carpet area. Carpet area refers to the actual usable space where furniture can be placed. It generally excludes the walls and door openings. The items excluded in carpet area as per IS 3861 are sanitary shaft, veranda, corridors and passages, lobby and porches, kitchen, pantry and canteen, bathroom and store. So the shaded portion in the plan represents the carpet area, where you can see the wall areas are excluded and the openings are also excluded. What is the relationship connecting carpet area and plinth area? Plinth area equals carpet area plus wall thickness. Plinth area is 20 to 30% in excess of carpet area, and the carpet area of a residential building is 50 to 65% of plinth area, and the carpet area of an office building is 60 to 75% of the plinth area. So this was the carpet area. Next comes floor area. Now floor area refers to the total area of all the floors in the building. It generally excludes the walls and all the openings. The shaded portion represents the floor area. So all the areas excluded in carpet area except the area of walls and openings are included in floor area. Floor area ratio or floor space index equals total floor area by total plot area. Now what is super built up area? Super built up area refers to the total area including the shared space such as lifts, lobbies, gardens, porches and pools. Now if you look at the original proposed building, there was porch and garden. Now when we calculate super built up area, that porch and garden area will also be included, which is shown in the shaded region. So the shaded region represents the super built up area. Next comes circulation area. Circulation area refers to the area that is helpful in movement of people through, around and between different parts of the building. Horizontal circulation area allows movement of people at the same level. For example, corridors, balconies, porches, etc. It is 10 to 15% of the plinth area. Vertical circulation area allows movement of people at different levels, for example, lifts, staircases, etc. It is 4 to 5% of the plinth area. In the figure, the vertical circulation is shown in the staircase and the horizontal circulation is shown. Now, what is setback area? Setback area refers to the area left vacant as per local building regulations for ventilation, future road widening, and emergency cases such as for fire trucks. The shaded portion represents the setback area. Generally, setback area equals plot area minus plinth area. Now let's look at the questions. Question 1, working out the exact quantities of various items of work is known as. So the right answer will be option C, quantity survey. Option A, estimation gives the rough quantities. It will not give the exact quantities. Mensuration is related to calculating the areas and volumes of different objects, and valuation is used to assess the value of a building. So the right answer will be option C. Now question 2, the plinth area for the plan of a room shown below is. So if you look at the plan, the inner dimensions are 5 meter and 4 meter, and there is wall thickness 30 centimeter. So if you calculate the value of L, it will be 5 meter plus 0.3 plus 0.3. So it will be 5.6. That is the total outer length. And if you calculate width, it will be 4 plus 0.3 plus 0.3, that is 4.6. Now if you calculate the area, it will be L into B. That is, when you calculate L into B, it comes out to be 5.6 into 4.6. It comes out to be 25.76. To that we have to add unprotected veranda. So in the case of unprotected veranda, we consider only 50% of the area. So it will be 2 into 1.5. Since it is 50% divided by 2, so you will get the answer as 27.26. So the right answer to this question will be option B, 27.26 meters square. Question 3, in a G plus 5 building, if each floor area is 100 meters square and plot area is 120 meters square, the floor area ratio. So floor area ratio, FAR, equals total floor area by plot area. So total floor area here, it is G plus 5 building. So there are 6 floors. So 6 into 100 by 120, that is 600 by 120, that is 5. So you'll get the right answer as option A, 5. Question 4, given below are the 3 types of areas used in estimation. Number 1, plinth area. Number 2, carpet area. Number 3, floor area. The descending order of the areas in general will be. So the right answer to this question will be plinth area, then floor area, and carpet area. In general, floor area equals plinth area minus wall area, and carpet area equals plinth area minus wall area minus excluded items. Hence, in general, super built-up area will be greater than plinth area, greater than floor area, greater than carpet area, greater than circulation area, which is greater than setback area. The excluded items in plinth area are. So the right answer will be option C, loft. So the sanitary shaft is included if its area is less than 2 meter square. If it is greater than 2 meter square, it will be excluded. So thank you, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and press the bell icon to receive more updates.